Hello everyone, welcome and happy Halloween. Who said a Halloween at home can't be spooky? I'll be showing you how to carve a pumpkin with just a knife, but stay tuned because later I'll be showing you how you can make this pumpkin come to life with a few more tools and some ingredients. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to get your knife with parent supervision and cut out the top of your pumpkin so you can open the pumpkin and scoop out all the seeds. Remember, have parent supervision. Now that I have opened my pumpkin, I can start scooping out all the seeds. You're going to need a witch's cauldron to hold all the seeds that you scoop out. Once you have finished scooping out all the seeds from your pumpkin, you can finally start carving your design. And remember, once you have your seeds, you can dry them and plant them in your yard. And maybe the next year, you might have pumpkins. Let's get started. Today, I will be carving the classic traditional jack-o'-lantern design. I'm using a smaller knife to shape out the parts I'm going to cut out with the bigger knife. Sort of like a marker, but with a knife. Now let me draw the eyes. Now I'm going to start carving out The mystery is about to be revealed. How will we make this pumpkin come to life? We're gonna use elephant toothpaste. We just need a few ingredients to make our spooky pumpkin come to life. Active dry yeast mixed with water, hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, goggles, And remember to have parent supervision. Now I'm going to get 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide that is in this beaker and pour it into a beaker. I'm using a plastic water bottle so that it fits in my pumpkin. We are going to place our beaker with hydrogen peroxide into our pumpkin. Before putting your beaker full of hydrogen peroxide into your pumpkin, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Now, once you have added your soap into your beaker full of hydrogen peroxide, you can start adding food coloring of your choice. I am going to be using the color green. Now you have to place it into your pumpkin. Remember, when activating your elephant toothpaste, make sure you move everything that is in the area, because when elephant toothpaste explodes, it could damage anything around you because it is very hot. To activate your yeast, you need to mix it in with warm water and stir for a few seconds. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and activate your elephant toothpaste. Let's watch our spooky pumpkin come to life. Wow! Wasn't that spooky? I hope you enjoyed this experiment, and I hope you have a spooktacular Halloween. Remember, if you go trick or treat, stay away 6 feet and wear your mask. Happy Halloween!